As Richmond Highway is redeveloped and there are new bus rapid transit stations added to the corridor, most of them are located around the community business centers, so they're anticipated to be these new sort of hubs of activity. We want to create places that are more walkable, that are more bikeable, that encourage people to get out of their cars and utilize different modes of transit. We're here at the Mount Vernon Plaza on the Richmond Highway corridor, and this pop-up space is going to be a pop-up studio showcasing urban design ideas for the Richmond Highway corridor's community business centers. The idea of this is, rather than having another traditional community meeting, the hope is that on a Thursday evening or a Saturday morning that folks can stop by and view how we're taking the ideas from the Embark Comprehensive Plan and putting them sort of into action. And so when the community comes by, not only can they see those designs, but they can tell us the kind of activities and things that they would like to see, so when then they come to these community business centers, that the right types of activities will be there for them. If they can't come to the pop-up studio, there's an online survey that allows them to see a lot of the graphics and ideas and share their thoughts in an online version. We want to have input from everyone, because the more people that we hear from, the more inclusive we can be in making it a place that is supportive of everyone in the community.